If you're a midlife career woman juggling deadlines, leadership pressure, shifting hormones, aging parents, and a holiday season that's, well, let's be honest, not always peaceful, then this is for you. Hey there, I'm Dinah. I'm a certified integrative health practitioner. Today, I'm giving you a 1 minute trick that instantly calms anxiety, sharpens focus, and helps you walk into challenging situations with grounded resilience. It's called box breathing, and it's one of the fastest ways to shift your biology out of stress mode and back into balance. Why does this matter in midlife? Well, here's the truth. Midlife can feel like someone took your stress dial and turned it from a 4 to a 14. Your hormones are fluctuating, your sleep is lighter, your patience is thinner, your nervous system gets triggered more easily, whether you want it or not. And when your nervous system is running hot, anxiety raises, focus slips, you overreact more quickly, small things seem bigger, your confidence at work drops, and your family interactions feel more draining. Box breathing works because it does not rely on willpower. It changes your biology from the inside out, all in under a minute. So, how does box breathing work? Box breathing is used by Navy SEALs, by ER physicians, and high performing leaders, not because it's trendy, but because it's simple, fast, and incredibly effective. You're essentially giving your nervous system a structured pattern to follow, which signals, I'm safe, I'm not under attack, you can stop releasing cortisol now. This allows your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responding to clarity, communication, and decision making, to come back online. So it's perfect for presentations, perfect for tough conversations, and perfect for midlife chaos. So let's look at why it's called box breathing. It's based on a simple pattern. Think of it like four sides of a square. Step one, you inhale for 5 seconds. Breathe slowly through your nose. Step two, hold for 5 seconds. You're not straining, just a gentle pause. Step three, exhale for 5 seconds. Relax your shoulders and let the air out naturally. And step four, hold for 5 seconds. A quiet, still pause before the next inhale. That's one cycle. Do 3 cycles and you've rebalanced your nervous system. You can even do this discreetly at your desk, in your car, or in the bathroom before a big meeting. So, what's the biology behind what's actually happening inside you? As you move through these 5 second phases, your body starts shifting gears. Your vagus nerve activates, that's the pathway of calm. Your heart rate slows. Your cortisol starts dropping. Blood moves back to your brain's decision-making center. Your muscles relax, and your immune system gets a moment of relief. This is why box breathing helps with midlife anxiety, with hot flashes triggered by stress, with brain fog, with racing thoughts, emotional reactivity, work performance under pressure, and challenging family dynamics, especially during the holidays. You're not just breathing, you're literally interrupting the stress chemistry that drains your energy and steals your confidence. So, can you think of when to use it? You only need 1 minute. You might try every morning, doing 3 cycles to start your day grounded. Before a big meeting or public speaking. During a conflict at work. In the car before a difficult conversation. Before family gatherings, especially around the holidays. When your mind feels scattered and unfocused. Anytime stress just spikes out of nowhere. This is your built-in reset button. No equipment, no supplements, no permission needed. Your biology is not working against you, it just needs some support. And simple tools like this are only the beginning. If you're a midlife woman struggling with anxiety, focus, mood changes, energy dips, or symptoms that your doctor keeps calling normal, let's talk. If you want help understanding the biology behind your symptoms, you can book a discovery call with me using the link below. You deserve a nervous system that works with you, not against you. If this video resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more content about real root causes of midlife issues.